You are watching tomorrow's classrooms today. Writing lesson, mastering argumentative writing, constructing well-structured and compelling arguments, a scaffolded approach to guide students through the process of writing. Aligned with the Bloom's taxonomy, this lesson focuses on developing students' skills across various levels of cognitive understanding, from remembering key components to creating well-structured and compelling essays. The learning objective and success criteria cover a range of cognitive levels, progressing from basic recall and understanding to higher order skills like application, analysis, evaluation, and creation. Now to demonstrate your previous knowledge of the key components of a classical argument model that construct an argument, match the key components with the meaning. The first one is already done for you as an example. Pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When finished, compare your answers with the provided answer key. Now to demonstrate an understanding of the components of an argument model, match the key components with the examples. The first one is already done for you as an example. Pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When finished, compare your answer with the provided answer key. Now to apply your understanding of the language techniques used to construct arguments, match the language techniques with the examples. The first one is already done for you as an example. Pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When finished, compare your answers with the provided answer key. Now to apply your understanding of the figurative language used to construct arguments, match the figures of speech with the examples. The first one is already done for you as an example. Pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When finished, compare your answers with the provided answer key. Now to apply your understanding of Aristotle's rhetoric used to construct arguments, match Aristotle's rhetoric with the examples. The first one is already done for you as an example. Pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When finished, compare your answers with the provided answer key. Analyze the text to identify the key components of an argument used in an argumentative essay. Each sentence is numbered, and your task is to match the correct sentence number with the argument component it represents. The first one is already done for you as an example. Pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When you have finished, compare your answers with the provided answer key. Evaluate the text to identify the language strategies of an argument used in an argumentative essay. Each sentence is numbered, and your task is to match the correct sentence number or numbers with the argument strategy it represents. The first one is already done for you as an example. Pause the video and complete the rest of the exercise. When you are finished, compare your answers with the provided answer key. Writing tasks are differentiated to meet the diverse needs of learners by addressing individual abilities and providing targeted support and challenges. Select the task that best suits your needs, abilities, and the level of support you require. To begin with, let's break down the writing prompt. You will be given a topic to base your argumentation. Considering the student comments in the prompt, you must decide upon the claim and the counterclaim for your argumentation. It would help if you always approach this writing by reading the task carefully first and highlighting what is sometimes called a gap analysis or the 3 W's. First, the genre or what you are writing, an argumentative essay. Second, the audience or who you are writing for, students who read the school magazine. Third, the purpose or why you are writing, to give your views. There are certain expectations. They remind you how to write your essay. In standard handwriting, you should write between 200 and 300 words, 1 to 1.5 sides of A4 size. Now let's discuss the assessment criteria. The content and quality of your writing will be evaluated on a 9/9 scale, which demands that the introduction is engaging and clear, with well-structured arguments presented in a cohesive strategic order, enhanced by smooth, expressive writing, varied sentence structure, effective transitions, and flawless grammar and punctuation. Let's start working with body paragraphs, the supporting and refuting arguments. To support your claim, develop professional value into a full developed line of reasoning. Transform career progression into a compelling and persuasive argument. Leverage early career advantages into a powerful and convincing justification. Similarly, to refute the counterclaim, develop learning a skill for quick monetary gain into a well-founded and cohesive reasoning. Contrast doing versus being to form a compelling and thought-provoking argument. Convert gaining life experience into a persuasive and captivating justification. Start writing the argumentative essay. The paragraph numbers P1 to P5 indicate the sequence and separation of the essay's paragraphs. Start with the compelling headline inspired by the essay topic. In the introduction, include a rhetorical question relevant to the topic. Develop a topic sentence directly related to the subject of the essay. Present a claim that reflects your stance on the issue, and introduce a counterclaim that considers opposing perspectives. For each body paragraph, start with an introductory statement. For the supporting paragraph, base it on the claim, and for the refuting paragraph, base it on the counterclaim. Use at least 3 arguments in each body paragraph to fully support the claim or to refute the counterclaim. Refer to the developed arguments in the previous slide. In the conclusion, restate the claim and summarize the key supporting arguments. Then acknowledge the counterclaim and recap the refuting arguments. Before concluding, provide a balanced view of the arguments presented, and as the writer, take a clear stance by expressing your final position. Your final essay draft should be structured along these lines. Now it's your turn. Write a 200 to 300 word argumentative essay based on one of the provided prompts, applying all the techniques you have learnt. Keep in mind that your writing will be assessed on both content and style. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more writing lessons and tips. Subscribe for more educational content. Like if this video helped you. Share it with your peers to spread the knowledge. Comment below with your feedback. Let's master the art of writing together.